Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal Bang, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Dadia. We have with us Kunal Shah, head of Commodities Research, joining in. Welcome to the show, Kunal. My first question coming to you is with regards to where the dollar index is concerned. Clearly, if you go to see, the index has hit multi-week lows below the level of 93, and a 3-day losing streak is something which it has extending as well. What's the sense that you pick up? Because we are seeing some bit of a downtrend coming in on that front. And clearly, the stimulus deal hope is something that probably could change direction as well.
Yeah, so it is the stimulus deal and the size of stimulus. So the
Hmm.
Wall Street is expecting the stimulus deal to be somewhere between 1.8 to 2.2 billion trillion dollar. So if the deal is in line with that, then I think dollar index will weaken sharply. And the low, I think, in the 2 months back, what we saw was 92.20.
Hmm.
So I think this kind of lows can be breached provided any aggressive stimulus comes. And if no stimulus is coming, in case
Hmm.
after election, if they are announcing that after election, then I think dollar index will strengthen. And in that case, all the commodities will go down. But I'm still hoping that there is a strong likelihood of deal may get reached today. So for evening session, things look bullish to me, and already everything is up. But one more thing which one should see in today's trading session, what is happening with US 10-year bond yields. So right now it is at 0.8%. So if US bond yields are going above 0.85 or 86, that can act as some dampener for bullion prices. But for evening, my clear view is to go long. Silver 63,500, 450. One can go long 63,800, 850. Book the profits. Gold 51,140. You can go long. On the upside, you can see gold testing 51,300, and stop loss for silver and gold should be placed. As far as silver is concerned, I would recommend that today's low 63 150 should be kept as stop loss, and for gold 50,900 should be kept as a stop loss.
Right. So that's with regards to the dollar index as well as the effect it could have in terms of bullion. Now, clearly, you have seen a plunge that did come in with regards to crude prices. And this was mainly because of the concern that they picked up on the build up that we've seen with regards to US oil stock prices, stockpiles. And with this, you have seen the falling dollar as well. Clearly, do you think there are concerns that the crude oil market might be heading to a saturation point from here on?
No, I'm seeing crude oil market is going to move up in short term rather than, because OPEC plus meeting had came up with a statement that the demand revival is seen. So in near term, I'm expecting crude to shoot up 3020, 3010.
Hmm.
These are the levels you can go long. So when I give you these levels, you can even buy at current market price. I don't mind. And I think 3100, 3120 should be the first target, and stop loss should be placed at 2960. I think crude oil is going to take off, and it is going to move up, because when the reason why oil prices were not able to move up was the demand. Now
Hmm.
the demand side, the OPEC's projection is coming that it's going to be better in next 3 months.
Hmm.
So I think it should go up.
Right. And with this, what's the sense that you have with regards to base metals? Because they've continued to trade sideways. However, there is that bullish bias that you've been mentioning as well. However, can we expect some bit of correction at higher levels, especially when we look at what's happening with copper, for that matter, zinc, as well as lead?
Yeah, so copper, I'm bullish. I have continuously saying it, and I'm still
Hmm.
saying it. It still looks bullish. You look at what happened to nickel and copper. Nickel, I am recommending from 1100 from last 2 weeks. It is 1180, 80 rupees upside what we have seen. Copper also, I am expecting the similar move, 540, 542 in a day or two. Looks very strong. As far as other metals are concerned, zinc, yesterday we came up with a buy call. We are expecting zinc to test 205. Aluminum too is likely to catch up after copper, nickel, and zinc. So 152 you can go long, upside target 154, and stop loss should be placed below 150, 150. So most of the metals are poised 150.50 stop loss. So
Hmm.
most of the metals are looking positive to me, and I'm expecting this rally to continue.
Right. Hopefully, this rally continues from here on as well. Thank you, Kunal, so much for joining in. I think there was only one question with regards to copper, which you've already answered in your answers. So, overall, good calls coming in with regards to
I
where
think
the market goes.
Suraj is asking, good afternoon, copper sell at this level. No, Suraj, you should not sell it, please. Until you see a dollar strengthening or no stimulus deal coming in. So if there is a deal that there is no stimulus, then I think copper will correct. But till then, I don't think so. You should try to short it. 39.40 looks likely.
Right. So, that's the reply coming in with regards to where copper goes. In fact, another question coming in is with regards to if we could see a big rally in natural gas. Kunal, what would your view be?
Yes, it can. The reason for that, fundamental reason for that is the US shale gas and shale oil production is going down. So, like I told you, all the US oil production has declined from uh, 12.7 million barrels to 10.9 million barrels. So, when oil production declines, even gas production declines
Hmm.
because those are the rock formation, shale rock formation, and you do a horizontal drilling into the rock. The first thing to come out is the gas and then oil. So once they stop drilling, the production drops. The first thing which goes up is obviously gas. So now we are already at October. November onwards, the winter season in the US will start, and that is the peak demand time for the natural gas. So yes, it can go up. I would give a level of 211 as a stop loss, and a maximum upside target would be around 224, 25.
Right. And anything that you know with regards to the deadline for the stimulus in the US?
Well, it was 48 hours, so anytime we should see that kind of announcement, whether they are going to extend it or not, or whether they are going to. But I think the most likely is they are going to do it today. So uh, we can expect some announcement in today's, even if it is going to postpone to post-election, it will be announced today. So I'm expecting that news to come by evening, say 6 to 7 or perhaps by 8
Hmm.
India time.
Right. And I think this does not seem to be like Shirish Nanavre. The dollar index is 92.7. I think he's recommending that it is a good support. Do you agree with that, Kunal?
One minute. Yeah. So, what is the deadline of what question you asked? Sorry,
No,
Hiral.
no. The dollar index at 92.7 is good support. Now, I don't know if Shirish is saying whether that is a good support level or is that a question?
Honestly speaking to the team, I'm not the technical guy. Okay, I am a hardcore fundamentalist, and I don't see. But the moment those levels are getting breached, you can see sharp up move in sharp downside move in dollar index 90 to 20. I think 90 to 20 is the level where it should hold. As per me, 90 to 20. If it breaks it, all this rally in of commodity can further take off.
Right. All right, Kunal. Thank you for sharing those views, in terms of different commodities as well as on the dollar. Thank you, everyone, for joining in as well. Thank you so much.